everywhere. I see pretty girls, all across the world. I see pretty girls, everywhere I go.
Alright, what is good, YouTube? Sorry in advance for the audio in this video if it's a little loud. I don't have my mic on me today, so we shall see. But in honor of Black History Month, happy Black History Month. Hence the black. I'm trying to.
Girl, if you don't.
Anyway, so what I wanted to do today, which I thought would be a really fun video, is I'm going to be doing a hair routine, but I'm only going to be using black owned products just in celebration of Black History Month. So let's go. There may be some you've heard of and maybe some you've slept on, but it's not going to be that many. So it's a hair routine. I don't want to add too much. But either way, stay tuned. We're about to get into this. If you're new here, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so we can get to 1 million, because that's my biggest dream. And it also helps you stay tuned to my videos and actually see the content without having to go search for it. It's gonna pop up in your feed. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So I did something pretty like with my hair. I slept with it in basically a banded, it wasn't even a real banded ponytail. I put like 2 bands on it and I went to sleep, so that's why some parts in the front are really stretched, whereas the back is like a shrunken productless mess. Either way, you know, we do this all the time, but we recover. So don't learn from me, but I'm just gonna separate the back a little bit. Alright, so you might be like, Bree, why'd you let your hair get so dry? Ain't that one of the growth rules? And it is, y'all, but I recently had a little bit of hydro fatigue, and if you don't know what that is, that's when your hair, like, you basically do too much of a good thing, and I over moisturized my hair. I used a lot of steam, so go, if you have a Q-redo, go easy on the steam, because my hair was just like, I'm good, bro. Like that, my hair was literally limp. So I had to do a lot of protein and all that good stuff. But now, I'm ready to moisturize because it needs it. So, first thing I'm starting with is I made this big tub of flaxseed gel. It's not just flaxseed gel, it's a lot of stuff in here. And I made it this pretty blue color because why not? It's no artificial dyes. It's a all natural blue, no mica, none of that. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. Let's see, it just alright. So I'm gonna use this because my hair is dry, of course. So we want to get it a little bit moisturized and I guess damp before I start to like detangle. And then a very slept on product. I just got this and I like it a lot so far. This is the Lovely Bees Leave It Be with castor oil and honey, aloe vera, rice and oat protein leave-in conditioner. But this is what it looks like, and it's from Lovely Brianna. If you haven't seen her channel on YouTube, she has a product line and it smells really good, y'all. Like, I know everybody doesn't like fragrance and stuff like that, but it smells really good. Then I'm just gonna spread it. I like how it absorbs really quickly. We can't do this. Alright, so I'm gonna take my spray bottle and just mainly spray my ends a little bit because we need to detangle this. Alright, look how much easier that was. Alright. I finally got my hands on some Melanin Haircare. Y'all don't know how hard this was for me. I've been trying to get my hands on this for almost a year, but it's always something that happened when I was about to get it. Like, it'd be late at night, I'm on my phone, and I didn't have my card number, or, you know what I mean? And then I finally got it in my cart, was checking out, and then I got an email that was like, hey, they're sold out of the cream, so are you okay with just getting the oil? And I was like, crap. So I didn't say anything back yet. I DM'd Whitney and I was like, Whitney girl, I'm trying to try some of the cream, girl. I'm trying to get this cream. But then finally, I think they restocked, so I was able to get my hands on some. Either way, this is my first like impression of this. I have not tried it yet. Alright, I took about, like, I'll show y'all on camera, but put it back in the jar. I took about this much. That might be a lot, but you look. And I'm gonna add more of my DIY gel as I twist, just in case, just for a little bit of added hold, since we have a lot of moisturizing products in here. And y'all know this is my favorite, one of my favorite twisting methods is to come in with like my brush or whatever and just twist along with that. So major key, this isn't a tutorial per se, but major key to a good twist out is to literally make sure you twist tight. And the reason you want to do this is you're going to get a lot of definition, it's going to look a lot better, it's going to stay in, and I don't know, it just looks better. Trust me, just trust me on it. Also, I have a life update video coming for y'all. Like, trust me, there's a lot to update. It's just, you know what I mean, I'm still getting back in the swing of filming since we've moved. I thought it would just be like hit the ground and start filming, or I'm gonna do moving vlogs or whatever, but I really gotta get in the spirit, you know what I'm saying? And also, I'm an in the moment person, so you know what I mean, getting the hang of filming after, you know, moving and having not filmed for a while took me a little bit of work, you know what I'm saying? So I'm still getting into it, but I definitely have a lot to talk about when I do a life update video. So much about LA, how I'm feeling, all that good stuff. If you guys have anything specifically you want to hear about in the life update, definitely let your girl know so that I can be sure to address it when I'm doing the video filming. I'm gonna take some more of that leave-in. If you haven't got your hands on Melanin Haircare, by the way, honestly, just because of how nice of a person Whitney is, I'm like, bro, y'all, I was going to get it regardless. Even if y'all said it was terrible, I was going to get it, but it's not. Of course, I would expect nothing less than the best, since she is literally one of the OGs of the natural hair game in YouTube. She helped me a lot because I didn't know for the longest I had type 4 hair, because when we first transitioned, sometimes your hair does not look exactly how it's going to look over time. Plus I had dye, a lot of things I was still doing. I was using heat more than I do now, a lot of things. So, but her tutorials always worked for me because your hair is still your hair type, even if it's, you know, damaged, if that makes sense, like your true hair type. So if that makes sense, even though my hair looked type 3 when I first went natural, only type 4 hair tutorials were working for me, basically. And also, I know a lot of people say that my hair is probably silky, or, you know, all these different things that start to come about when you start getting healthier, longer hair. I don't know why people are tempted to make excuses or reasons outside of you why that's happening. And I'm like, can I just have worked hard? Like, can y'all just give me that, bro? Like, can it just be me? Like, does it have to be some outlying reason? You know what I mean? Well, just let me have it. That's all. Haters gon' hate, potatoes gon' potato, but the earth is still gon' rotate, okay? Flaxseed gel is so moisturizing, y'all. Like, I wish you could feel how my hair feels before I add it and then after. It's a big world of a difference. Especially, I notice my 4B hair loves shea butter and flaxseed gel so much. So I use it all the time. This is for my little baby hair naps, if you will. They're starting to grow out, so cheers to that. Cheers to that. Alright, y'all, so we getting there. My hands are getting a little pruny. I went through about half my head, and well, no, a little more than half now. This is all we got left. But yeah, twist outs take time. They look great and they last, but they take so much time. So I'm always reminded when I do twist outs why I kind of like have resorted to wash and goes for so long, although I love the moisture I get from twist outs. Hopefully I'm not going too heavy handed on this twisting cream, because you know how it is. Every cream reacts a little bit differently. So, you know, some are a little oilier, some you need less, so we'll see. But right now, it absorbs in pretty well, so that is my hope. And of course, if you don't have the DIY gel, anything with a light hold would do. You know what I mean? Just something, because with twists, what I've learned is you don't want to use a very heavy gel, because any style like rod sets, twists, when you're setting it in one place, you don't want that to have too much hold, because you're gonna have to unravel the twists and stuff. So like mousse works well, and if it's gonna be a gel, something as light as like a flaxseed gel works great, but you want to keep everything really soft as much as possible, or you're gonna have a nightmare when you try to take your twist down and they're crunchy and crispy and flaky. It's just not good because, sis, you want moisture as much as possible. These product combinations seem to be going together really, really well as well, so I can't wait to see how it comes out. Prayers, because I've just started doing twist outs again. It's been years since I've really committed to doing twist outs, but in college, twists and braids was my thing, man. That's all I did. So, but yeah, y'all, I'm gonna come back when I'm just about finished with all this and let you see what it looks like before we let it dry. All right, y'all, we are finally done. As you can see, there's a little bit of residue on my shoulders and stuff like that, but we are finally finished. These are the twists. I still have a little bit of conditioner that you can visibly see in here. All you gotta do is just kind of wipe that down and it'll go away. As you can see, the ones in the back, it already went away. So after a long twisting session, I am hungry. I'm so hungry. So that brings me to today's sponsor of the video, which is Green Chef. While I let my twists air dry, I like to take a break and prep some food and relax. Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company. Meal plans include paleo, plant-powered vegan and vegetarian, keto, balanced living, and family. Recipes come with a quick and easy step-by-step guide, including cooking time, chef tips, and photos for each step to help guide you. I love using this service because it gives me new meal ideas, and I'm a lot less likely to eat out knowing I have pre-measured and perfectly portioned ingredients and a recipe waiting on me at home. I made a video about decision fatigue recently, and Green Chef also helps me feel a little less stressed because they do the grocery shopping, the planning, and most of the prep. For $80 off plus free shipping, yes, $80, go to greenchef.us/BreeHall80 and click get started. The link will be in my description box below. Thanks guys, now back to the twists. Alright y'all, so I am back and I'm going to use this Melanin Haircare multi-use pure oil blend, and I'm going to use that now to take down these twists. I'm going to probably speed this up for y'all so you can see the process unfold, okay? Look at this definition, y'all. Okay, this is probably some of the best twist out definition I've had next to my own curling cream. Are we shook? Are we shook or not? So this is my final result of my twist out. I think this is one of the best twist outs I've ever done in my entire natural hair life. So shout out Whitney and Melanin Haircare and all the other brands that were mentioned. There's a lot more that I'm going to try, but y'all, I think my faith in twist outs has been restored today. Like, woo-wee, happy Black History Month. Okay, alright. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Peace out, gang.
I need a little